Howdy everyone, I'm Biscuit, and what's the difference between speed, velocity, and what do vectors have to do with it? Okay, first things first, what's speed? So it be moving, it be grooving, and sitting in the back of your parents' car going to Disneyland, it be snoozing. Speed's how fast you're moving. I'm walking down the street, there's a telephone pole 10 meters in front of me, 10 seconds later it's 10 meters behind me, so who is going faster? You better believe it's me, I'm fast as heck. I'm a fast boy. Speed is just the measure of how fast you're going with some distance measurement over some time interval, say meters per second or miles per hour. Okay, then what's velocity? So the difference has to do with speed is just a number, while velocity is a vector. And then the difference there is that a vector is just a number attached with the direction. Bigger number means longer vector. And so for vectors, this direction thing really matters. So Timmy kicks soccer ball, you kick it, so is it going faster, slower? Well, it just depends whether you both kicked it in the same direction or kicked it in opposite directions. So depending on this direction, it could be additives or subtractive or somewhere in between. At the end of the day, velocity is just speed with the direction. So if you told us we were going to Disneyland, Mom, and then we end up in the Yukon, that's the wrong way, so pick up a negative sign there. For speed, the direction doesn't matter. It's just like the speedometer in your car, so it's taking 60 miles per hour, whether you're going to Disneyland or whether you're going to the Yukon. So practically in equations, speed and velocity are written out a little bit differently. So speed may be just v, which is very confusing. Velocity may have an arrow, or if you're doing some really difficult math, it may be boldface. That's when you know you're screwed. So velocity shows up in a decent number of equations like momentum, energy, again. So something just to keep in mind is whether the direction matters or not when doing a problem. Sometimes it just enters in a picture or in a negative sign somewhere, but it's always something to keep track of. Thanks for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate taking your time out of the day to watch me and learn some stuff. Just remember that you can learn this stuff. This is stuff that I really do believe that anyone could pick up and start working with and get a lot out of. See you next video. Bye. Thanks for watching, everyone. It's going down.